Were there points though, and this is something that I'm sure you've sort of, you've gone through those beats emotionally. Bhai, if I have to ask you, where you felt like things are not right, that that this is time for me to take a step back, because with all the achievement there also comes a certain level of loneliness, self-assessment, and then there comes a time where you feel like, should I just take a step back from everything, because times are different now for me than they were before.
The only time some years back I was sitting at home and Karan Johar came to my house with a script. I won't name the script. And the script required me to be wearing a skirt throughout the film. That is the only time I wanted to step back. I said, यार इतने ऐसा तो नहीं होगा यार, मैं स्कर्ट पहन के पिक्चर में काम करूंगा. It was one of those films in olden times where men wore skirts. But men wore skirts, not androgynous men like me wearing skirts. So
it was the character, bhai. I think it wasn't anything.
वो character के लिए तू खुद स्कर्ट पहन के खुद एक्टिंग करना जब तेरा दिल करे.
Well, people who believe I could wear a skirt and do a film, I can assure you.
मैं pants में ठीक हूँ. But having said that, no, I've never felt the desire. Yes, whenever I failed, I have always felt the failure twice as much than I would, because I never do it personally. कि मेरी फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई, मेरा काम खराब हो गया. So I go through these pangs that I've let down lots of people around the world, because I know in 35 years बहुत सारे लोग बहुत प्रेम से, बहुत दिल में चाह रखकर मेरी फिल्म देखने आते हैं कि हम एंटरटेन होंगे, हम खुश होंगे. तो जब मैं गंदी पिक्चर बनाता हूं ना, तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मैं पर्सनली लेता हूं, as if I have maybe insulted the trust that they have in me. So it really bogs me down. फिर मेरा एक मेथड है, फिर मैं रोता हूँ बाथरूम में लॉक करके अपने आप को, फिर 1-2 दिन ऐसा दुखी हो जाता हूँ. But I've never felt that I'm defeated. I've never felt कि मैं गिर गया, अब उठ नहीं सकता. I'm very clear on that. कि दुख बहुत होता है, रोना भी बहुत आता है, परेशानी भी बहुत होती है. 1-2 बार मैंने कुकिंग भी सीख ली कि एक्टिंग छोड़ता हूँ, शेफ बन जाता हूँ. लेकिन हारता कभी नहीं हूँ मैं. आई नो आई डोंट अलाउ डिफीट टू ओवरटेक मी. आई गेट बीटन, आई मे बी फॉल डाउन, बट आई डोंट अलाउ. सो नो, आई नेवर एवर एवर, आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, आई एम नॉट बीइंग पॉम्पस. आई नेवर एवर फील डिफीटेड vis-a-vis my work. I feel bad that I have done it wrong and bad, but I never feel.
When we look at your journey, almost we can say this with utter confidence that you could be the brand ambassador for resilience, because you have weathered those storms, weathered them beautifully, emerged from them even more victoriously. I don't think any amount of analysis is enough to describe your journey as a movie star, and I think there never will be a journey like that.
It is. From Deepika and my film Om Shanti Om, I feel like the king of the world.